everybody, hope you're good. My name is Abby if you're new around here, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So in today's video I wanted to try out some color mascaras. I feel like I keep seeing these mascara looks everywhere I turn. I don't know. A while back I went on beauty, I think I was on Beauty Bay, just browsing as per usual, and I came across this brand called Soda. They had some affordable color mascaras, so I thought I'd try them on my channel. I've never tried color mascaras before. Like when I say color, I mean like anything but black. Obviously I know that there is brown mascara, that's a thing, but in terms of colored mascaras, I've never tried colored mascara, so hopefully that will work out well. So on my face, if you were wondering, I will just quickly run through. I've just put my face on. I didn't want to record, I just wanted to get it up as quickly as possible. So on my face, if you wanted to know, I like the way my makeup turned out, so I thought I'd share. So on my face I have the Essence Prime Studio Mattifying Pore Minimizing Primer with natural black clay. Next I have the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade, I want to say it's honey and toffee. And in toffee. Next I have my old favorite, my Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade 13.2. And then what did I do next? I went over it with, I set my concealer first with the I Heart Revolution Banana Powder. So this is honey. Next I set everything with my PS Blurred Out Skin Conditioning Universal Blurring Powder. It's got skin conditioning properties to it. And it has niacinamide as well, which is great. It's so good. It makes your skin feel so smooth. Then I applied my blush. This is the XS Revolution blush in the shade Jaded. And I applied my contour with the XX Revolution bronzer. So it's a bronzer, but it's a really cool tone. They have a lot of different shades, and it's in the shade Vignette. And then I set my face with the Revolution Niacinamide setting spray. I'm trying out some brow products, some Essence, including soap brows. So next we have the Essence brow products that I tried. So we have the Essence Brow Powder and Define pencil pen. And then I used this on my other brow, and then I filled in again with this. Obviously I'm just trying these out, I wouldn't normally use them all together. And on my lips I have the Essence Shine 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 lip gloss in the shade No Brainer. And I lined my lips with the MUA Intense Color Lip Liner. I think it's in the shade Obsession, yeah. So that is everything. Oh wait, I forgot my highlighter. So I have my Sleek highlighter. In the shade, the name of the shade is Copper Plate. And I think that's it. I hope I don't forget anything. Yeah, that's it. So that brings me to my mascara. So I bought this quite a few times and I keep losing it. I'm pretty sure I've got like 3 or 4 around the house. But this is the Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer, and it's white. So I've used it on my other mascara videos. I have quite a few mascara testing videos on my channel if you wanted to check them out. So I have this theory. If I want to really make them pop, what I should be doing is to prime my lashes with a white mascara primer, if that makes sense. Of course you can go over your lashes with these coloured mascaras anyway, and you probably get a good colour payoff, but I feel like if I was to treat them, I feel like that's probably the best way to get the best colour payoff is to apply a white base. It's the same thing I do with my nails. Back in the day when I used to do like nails, different nail designs, I'd always apply a white base, because obviously my nail colors, my nail plate, or my nail bed rather, is colored, and sometimes I do feel like I don't get enough color payoff, or like the color isn't true, because of this is my skin tone. Same thing with my lips. Sometimes you've heard the trick of applying like a concealer or like a lip primer, something that evens out your lips if you have pigmented lips, and then putting on the actual lip shape that you want to put on. That will also make the color pop. So I just, something just clicks and I thought, let me try this with this mascara. So enough talking. These mascaras are very affordable. I think they're like $6.95. They're from the brand Soda. The Soda brand actually does look really, really fun. They have quite a lot of fun looking products. They've recently come out with eyeshadow. I say recently because I couldn't see eyeshadow from this brand before. Yeah, so this brand definitely came out with eyeshadow pretty recently, and their eyeshadows look really nice. I feel like they apply, I feel like they appeal to the, I want to say Gen Z, a slightly younger market, but this is the packaging. It's really cute. So the mascara is called Unicorn Mascara. The color I have is green and blue. I've never tried green and blue mascara before. So the green one is called Fresh Grass 106, and this is the packaging. It says, dreaming of crazy colored lashes? Why wait? Smash this mascara on your beautiful lashes and go crazy like only you can. No girl, you don't need anyone to tell you that your lashes should be black. Colors are effing awesome and you know it. So the next color I have is blue. This is 105 Baby Blue, and it's like a royal blue color. Oh, this looks like a delicious royal blue color. I still have some of my old swatches on my hand. So I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand so you can see, and I love the packaging. And it has this kind of soft feel to it as well. Oh, am I brave enough to rock this? I don't know if I could actually rock this outside, but that's the color. And this is the shape of the wand. I think both of them have the same shape, yeah. There's a lot of product on each. You can't even see the shape of the wand because there's so much product on here. And I feel like you could probably, I feel like I've seen this on maybe Stylist, like a makeup look and a mascara look where one color was used on the bottom and a different color was used on the top. So that might be something for another day, but I feel like there's enough pigment in here. I don't know if I actually do need to use this primer, but I feel like if you have a different make, like a different brand, and you've never really had the color payoff you want from your mascara, it might be a good way to go to use a lash primer that's white like this is. So I'm gonna put this on. Ooh. And also this adds a bit of body as well. And definitely take off any excess. Definitely take off any excess. Take any excess off your lashes before you go in with the actual color. So what I thought I'd do is put the primer on the top lashes and leave my lower lashes bare so we can see if the mascara, which I think it will, if we can see if the mascara actually has some color payoff, but judging by the swatches, I think it does. And so with this primer, you don't need to let it dry down. In fact, it doesn't really dry down, so you can just go straight on with your brow product. Oh, ow, 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 just put it in my eye. So you can still see the white mascara. I feel like I might need to go get my spoolie brush to get the excess off and just to like give my lashes some separation. I'm gonna go in with on my lower lash line. Okay, so that's one eye done. I feel like you can see the white more than I can. Like in real life, I can't see the white. Okay, so let me just clean the spoolie off, apply the green, and let's see if it's any better. Oh, I feel like I'm on the struggle bus here, man, seriously. Maybe I didn't need to apply the primer with this formula because the formula is so thick. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. Yeah, this formula is got some body to it. Maybe if I twist it. Okay, I feel like with the roll technique, I'm getting more color payoff. Maybe I should wet it. So I've just wet my spoolie a little. Yeah, I can't say enough. This formula is thick. It definitely does not need a primer. So this is what my big head gets for overthinking this whole process. Is it me or is this mascara actually dry? Like, I don't understand. So you can't see the green on the lower lash as much as you can on the top lash. But this is as good as it's gonna get. This formula is thicker than what I'm used to, so I don't know. If anybody knows a way to thin a mascara formula, let me know. But it's not showing up on camera, but I can see it in person. Anyway, I've always wanted to know what colored mascara looks like, and this is what it looks like. I'm tempted to line my eyes. Yeah, let me line my eyes. I feel like that will definitely help the look come together a bit more. Let me go get my liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to use my Sleek Dip It eyeliner. I did used to really like the Poundland eyeliner. For a pound, it's absolutely great, but they changed the formula and it's now really, really patchy. So this is the next best thing. I just hope I can apply this because I haven't done this in such a long time. But I think I'll try and do this off camera if this doesn't go well. I'm just trying this out for the first time, hopefully. Let me just come back once I'm done with this other eye. Okay, so I'm back and this is the finished result. I don't think with this green formula you should use any type of primer with it, because the formula is so thick. It's a lot thicker than the blue. The blue was a lot easier, felt more like a moussey texture, whereas this just felt slightly dry. So I don't know, maybe if I had a bad batch, but this is the best. This is the best I could do with, you know, what I was working with. I will try other formulas. I know MUA Academy, which is a makeup brand in the UK, they do have a couple of different coloured mascaras which are really super affordable. So I'm definitely going to go on Beauty Bay and order those, and I'll see how they compare to these. But I love the packaging. I love, you know, the whole the colour, the pigment is there. Like you can see, the pigment is really there. It's just the formula is too thick in this. I don't know if it's dried down, but this is the result. I feel like the black eyeliner definitely helps the blue maybe stand out a bit more, and the green. I mean, both colors, it makes both colors stand out. Another thing you could do is get an eyeshadow that's either a deeper color to do what I did with the eyeliner if you're not so good with eyeliner, or use the same color for the mascara, like as close a match as you can get. Basically feather out some eyeshadow around your eyes, just to at least give a bit more impact to the same color as well to your eyes. So you could definitely also smoke out your lower lash line with a bit of black, rather than use an eyeliner or back an eye pencil and smoke out a bit more, just to help like the color on the lower lash stand out. I'm just trying to think of any other way that you could do it. But if you have any other ways that you like to wear your color mascara, please do leave them in the comment section, and let me know what other formulas or other brands you've tried, preferably affordable. But you know, just, you know, do leave a comment if you've tried any, even if it's not affordable. Leave a comment down below, let me know, and I just might try it out. But yeah, so I'm definitely going to try the MUA Academy coloured mascaras. If you've tried them, let me know as well. So yeah, so that's everything. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe if you want to get notified when I next upload. Yes, so until next time, stay blessed, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.